Welcome. If you're tired of getting notifications from new accounts on X, formerly known as Twitter, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable those notifications right from your PC, so you can keep your feed focused and distraction-free. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find the More icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a circle with 3 dots inside. Click on this icon to open a menu with more options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the main Settings page, where you can adjust everything about your X experience. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Safety. Click on it to expand more privacy-related options. Within the Privacy and Safety section, find and click on Mute and Block. This area is designed to help you control what you see and hear on X, including notifications from accounts you may not want to interact with. Now, in the Mute and Block menu, you'll see an option called Muted Notifications. Click on this to open the Muted Notification settings. Here, you'll find several filters that help you fine-tune which notifications you receive. To specifically stop notifications from new accounts, look for the option labeled With a New Account. Check this box. By enabling this filter, X will mute notifications from accounts that are new to the platform, which are often the source of unwanted alerts and spam, and that's it. You've successfully disabled notifications from new accounts on X using your PC. This simple change can make a big difference, helping you focus on the content and conversations that matter most to you. If you ever want to adjust these settings, just follow these steps again and uncheck the box. Thanks for tuning in.